Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are continuing with chapter 10 computer network, and we'll see how to set up a network connection using network and sharing center in Windows 8. So let us start. So network and sharing centers allows us to set up a new connection or network connect to a network and share the resources. With a home or a small office network, we can share an internet connection or a printer, view and work with shared files, and play multiple player computer games. So we have to follow certain instruction to set up a network connection. So first of all, click on search charm and type the control panel. So here you have to type control panel, then press enter key from the keyboard. The control panel window will appear. So this is the control panel window. This window is the control panel window. Then secondly, click on category. So this is the category. This is the category. A menu will open. So this is the menu, and click on a small icon. So you have to click on this last small icon. Then step 3 may window shows all control panel items. Click on network and sharing center. So this is the all panel items, all control panel items. So from here we have to click on network and sharing center. So this is the network and sharing center. Here we have to click. Windows opens up with basic information all the network. So this is the basic information. Then in step 4, click on step up a new connection or network. So we have to click on this, set up a new connection or a network. We have to click on this option. Then in step 5, set up connection or network dialog box opens, asking you. So this is the setup connection network dialog box. This will ask you 4 options: connect to internet, set up a new network, connect to a workplace, set up dial-up connection. These are the 4 options. So out of which we have to select the first one. So in step 6, click on connect to the internet and click next. So we have to click on this and click on this next button. Now what will happen? In step 4, choose the option how you want to connect. Example, broadband. So here he is asking how you want to connect. Then in step 8, we will be prompted to enter username and password provided by our internet service provider ISP. So provide the required information. So here you have to type the username and the password. Here you have to type the username and the password. To view the password, check show character checkbox. Select remember this password checkbox if we want this computer to remember this password. Type connection name. To share this connection with others who use this computer, we can click allow other people to use this connection and then click on connect. So finally you have to click on this connect one. The connection window will appear. So the connection window will appear. It looks like this. If connected successfully, the windows looks like this. So if you connected, the window will look like this. So that's all for today. Thank you.